I'm wearing my Ultra Human Air ring for almost 2 months and I will share with you my thoughts and I will make this beginner-friendly video as much as possible para mabilis nyo rin siyang maintindihan. Hi friends! So what I have here is my Ultra Human Ring Air. Marami ako nakikitang nagtatanong if it's really worth it kasi medyo pricey nga siya compared mo sa mga watches. Pero friends, since I wore this, sobrang dami kong nakitang difference nila na talagang feeling ko, for me, is malaking advantage siya. So how's the process of ordering? You just have to go to their website and choose your ring, scroll and click buy now, and friends, natutuwa ako kasi as of the moment, they have a Black Friday sale and they're offering 30% off discount. You just have to use my code, and if you're watching this na hindi na Black Friday sale, you can use my code for additional discount. Meron pa rin tayo niyan. So after buying, they will send you a sizing kit. So this is what it looks like. Mabilis lang yung delivery nila sa akin, parang 3 days lang nandito na sa akin, and ito yung itsura niya sa loob. This is the step-by-step guide. Meron din kayong sample dito kung anong magiging itsura ng ring nyo. At first, I chose the matte gray, pero na-realize ko na I'm a gold girly, so I chose Bionic Gold instead. The step-by-step guide na gagawin mo lahat sa app nila, and spoiler alert, everything in the app will help you understand kung anong nangyayari sa body mo. May mga features kasi silang may explanation and whatsoever, pero later natin i-explain yan. This is the ring sizing kit, and may iba't ibang sizes tayo dyan from 5 to 14. What I did is, kumuha ko ng size na sa tingin ko is perfect sa akin. So, I chose between 7 and 8. Sinuot ko siya for 2 days and tinignan ko kung anong mangyayari. Friends, dapat talaga gawin natin yon because our fingers has a tendency na mag-expand and lumiit, and naranasan ko talaga yon. At first, I thought I was in size 7, pero I chose size 8 because my second day of wearing the sizing kit, nag-expand yung finger ko, and I feel like ang liit nito sa akin. So, lumipat ako ng 8, and that's what I'm wearing right now. After that, you will just submit your ring size using their app, and you'll wait for the delivery of the ring. And this is how the box looks like kapag na-deliver na sa inyo. Ito yung itsura niya, friends. Until now, natutuwa ako kasi I feel like I am really opening a present. You'll see some of the stickers, user manual, and you can also read some of the details here. Nakasama naman yan sa box. Then you'll see the ring. It looks small pero it can do so much. May kasama na rin siyang charger and wire para kapag i-charge nyo siya. So as you can notice, meron siyang parang flat dito, and dapat natin gawin is ilagay siya sa palm side. Ganyan natin siya isusuot. Ang tagal ko na rin nag-iisip kung ano yung kukuhanin ko and bakit ko nga ba napili si Ultra Human Air. First, they have no subscription. This is a one-time buy only, and yung kailangan mo lang bilhin is yung ring. And if you're wondering, ano-ano yung mga natatrack niya? Free ba? Yes, friends, it's free. And I'll tell you kung ano-ano yun kasi may naka-notes ako dito, and it tracks my sleep, dynamic recovery score, movement, stress rhythm, mga individual markers like heart rate, cardio age, temperature, heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and VO2 max. Natutuwa rin ako, friends, kasi natatrack din niya yung caffeine intake ko. Meron din siyang period tracker, and yes, it can even help your PCOS. You can also log your vitamin D, your screen time, and napansin ko, friends, na nakakatulong yung paglalog to help you personalize the app and kung ano yung nangyayari sa body mo. Kasi you can tag your activity, period, activities you did, uminom ka ba, mas marami ba yung screen time mo, medyo marami ka bang kinain. Yes, meron din siyang food log para ma-track yung calories and movements mo, breath work, and workout. So, ang dami niyang nagagawa, diba? Pero, accurate pa siya. So far, for the first 2 weeks na calibration ko, ang ganda ng naging result. I really love the sleep kasi it's accurate. Grabe, kapag nagising ako, tinitingnan ko agad yung app, and tamang-tama yung time na nakalagay doon kung ilang hours ako natulog, kung ilang full cycles ba yung sleep ko, kung gaano kababaw yung tulog ko, kung gaano kalalim. Nakikita rin dito if I have a sleep debt na kailangan kong punan, and kung ano yung tamang time kung kailan ako matutulog at dapat gigising para mag-work ng maayos yung body ko. dito. Pati yung heart rate makikita rito, if stressed ka ba or stimulated lang. And yun yung isa sa pinakakailangan ko, friends, kasi palaging mabilis yung tibok ng puso ko. And I don't know if I'm stressed. Minsan kasi parang nagpapalpitate ako nang wala namang nangyayari or stimulated lang ba ako, ganyan. So malaking tulong siya sa akin. Nung nag-yoga din ako, na-track din niya ng maayos yung mga activities, heart rate. And tulad nga nung sinabi ko sa inyo, friends, everything in the app will help you. Kasi the app gives report, summary, about sa result na pinakita nila sa'yo so you can understand it better. So, saan ba nanggagaling yung mga numbers na to? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng numbers na to? Or ano bang ibig sabihin ng word na to? Even the reminder to stretch the legs, golden hour, kung may araw na ba, kung ano yung oras na dapat pumunta ka sa labas para mas maganda yung tama ng vitamin D sa'yo. Meron siyang ganun. I wish I can explain it to you thoroughly. Pero friends, talagang ang daming nangyayari na ang saya malaman na ito ganitong kaliit na ring lang, it can do so much to you. And one of the main reasons kung bakit ako meron nito is because I can sleep with my watch. I can't always wear my watch kasi yung mga OOTDs din, hindi mo rin siya mababagayan ng naka-action watch. Ano bang tawag doon? Yes, I love it, especially when I'm working out. Pero hindi kasi siya pang araw-araw talaga kasi when I'm wearing my watch, it tends to suck this area. Hindi ako makahinga, minsan sobrang higpit, minsan sobrang luwag. So parang sa ring din siya. This one naman kasi pwede mong ilipat ng ganyan lang. Finger pala to wear this is this one and this one. Pero mas much better daw if this one. So, worth it ba talaga? Let's go to my pros and cons. First one, I love na ang ganda ng design ng ring na to. You can wear it even naka-classy outfit ka, nakapang-workout, every outfit you have, you can wear this. Kasi simple lang siya eh, ganyan lang siya. And pwede nyo siyang ilipat na ganyan. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi ang ganda rin ng color selection niya. You can choose different colors na babagay sa skin tone mo, ganyan. Second one, wala siyang subscription. You don't have to buy any subscription na mga sinabi ko kanina kasi lahat yon free. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas maraming power plugs, you can explore more power plugs here. So, we have caffeine window. Ito, mga libre naman to. Pero pwede ka ring magbayad if you need some. Like the cardio adaptability, cycle and ovulation plus. Pero yung cycle and ovulation, meron na talaga siya dito. Pero kung gusto nyo ng medyo advanced, you can also buy this. And dun pa lang papasok yung subscription kapag kumuha kayo ng mga power plugs na kailangan bayaran. Pero so far, lahat ng mga sinabi ko sa inyo, lahat yun free. So, I don't think I need to buy more. And it also has 3 modes. So, it has turbo mode, chill mode, and critical battery mode. So, sa turbo mode, all sensors, all data, all power, whole day, gumagana siya. So, kung gusto mo na talagang super accurate lahat ng mga power plugs na kailangan mo real time, dun ka sa turbo mode. Pero so far, yung ginagamit ko is yung chill mode. Kasi kadalasan, ginagamit ko lang naman siya for my sleep, for my caffeine, and yun din yung ni-recommend sa akin ng app kasi natatrack naman niya kung ano lang yung kailangan kong gamitin. It also has critical battery mode for survival mode. Dito naman, yung pinaka-essential motion tracking lang yung natatrack niya. I also love na alerts are helpful, especially when I'm working kasi nga I work from home. Wala akong masyadong stretches, mas madalas yung eyes ko na nakatitig sa screen. So kapag kailangan ko nang tumingin sa labas or mag-stretch, meron din siyang mga ganun na alert. Ang dami niyang nakikitang data from you, summarized details and explanation kung anong nangyayari as I've said kanina. And as in yung buong app na yan, lahat yan details na makakatulong na of course kailangan mo pa rin namang sundin para maging better kasi hindi naman to gamot. So far, I'm loving all the features, pero I also have cons. First, battery life. Yes, friends, kung may naririnig kayo na mabilis malobat yung mga ganito nila, na-experience ko rin siya. I don't know if it's normal, pero normally, when I'm wearing this, even though naka-chill mode ako, it can only last me 3 to 4 days. Todo na yung 4 days, pero madalas 3 days lang siya. So, nung nag-travel ako, hindi ko nadala to, namatay ng isang araw yung ring ko kasi nga nalobat siya. I also wanna share with you the scratches, pero so far naman, hindi naman super visible yung scratches niya, pero over time, magkakaroon siya ng visible scratches kasi nga, hindi naman siya scratch-proof. May maliliit na scratches ngayon yung ring, pero I think it's normal wear and tear lang naman, na I think makaka-affect siya kapag nagbubuhat kayo sa gym, kapag kailangan ng hand exercise, tapos kailangan nyo humawak ng mga bakal, ganyan. Meron daw na bibiling silicone for this one, pero since hindi pa naman ako nagbubuhat, hindi muna ako bumili. And even though I said that I love having all the details, I think hindi siya beginner-friendly user-friendly kasi ang dami nangyayari sa app niya. You really have to read every details na nakalagay to understand it. Pero nandun naman lahat ng kailangan mo. So, kailangan mo lang tiyagain. Pero yung design niya kasi medyo nakakalito din siya. Tulad ngayon, halos 2 buwan ko na tong sinusuot pero hindi ko pa rin siya kabisado kung saan nakalagay yung power plugs, kung saan yung sleep. Kasi super dami nga nangyayari sa app. Pero over time sana, makabisado ko rin siya. Kasi hindi ko naman palaging ino-open yung app unless may kailangan akong i-track talaga. Meron naman kasi siyang mga notification kung ano yung mga kailangan ko. So, not every day I open this. And one of the cons naman related sa activity is that yung steps niya is hindi masyadong accurate. I think sometimes it tracks more than my steps kasi I work from home. And I do so much of typings, editings, ganyan. So, palagi kong ginagamit yung kamay ko sa pag-work and I think natatrack niya yon as steps. So, minsan medyo malaki yung steps ko kahit hindi naman ganon. So, nagbe-base pa rin ako sa phone ko. Yung watch ko, hindi ko na masyadong sinusuot. Sa phone na lang talaga. And that's one of the downside na talagang nakita ko kasi I really love tracking my steps. Kasi one of my favorite activities is really walking. So, talagang downside siya for me. I don't know kung ako lang nakakaranas nito, pero let me know kung sa mga meron na, ganun din yung nangyayari sa inyo. And so far, that's it, friends. Let me know if you have more questions. If you want to buy this, just visit their website or click the link on the description box and use my code for more discount. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yun lang. Babu!